Hello again, everyone. Hope you're all doing great this early summer. Well, at least in Japan, anyway. Today, I'll be introducing some temples and shrines which are within walking distance from Kyoto Station. We're talking about 15-minute stops. The first one takes less than 10 minutes. So, from Kyoto Station JR West exit, we're heading towards Hachijo Street, which is the back of the station. Then walk past Miyako Hotel and Ian Mall. Okay, a bit of a fun fact. There are over 2,000 temples and shrines in Kyoto City. Now, let that sink in for a bit. That's a lot for a small city. So, I plan to visit as many as I can before I ship myself out of this amazing city. First, we have the Fushimi Inari Taisha Otabisho. And no, not the famous Fushimi Inari Shrine. But this is where Fushimi Inari's Mikoshi, or portable shrine, is being stored. Otabisho basically means where a deity or a portable shrine that carries the deity rests. And within a few meters walk, you'll see the famous Toji Temple. Its name literally means East Temple and is one of the many UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Kyoto. The temple was built during the Heian period. Here we have the famous Toji's five-storied pagoda. It was originally constructed in 826 by Kobo Daishi. It stands about 57 meters or 187 feet high, making it the tallest wooden pagoda in Japan. The ground floor of the pagoda is sometimes open for viewing. Inside, there are 4 smaller Buddha statues. The Kondo Hall is the temple's main hall and largest building. It houses a large wooden statue of the Yakushi Buddha, flanked by his 2 attendants, the Nikko and Gakko Bodhisattva. It is the temple's main object of worship. Next to Kondo Hall is the Kodo Hall, which was added in 825. It served as the temple's lecture hall, but now it houses 19 statues. Across the moat from Toji Temple is the Kanchi-in Temple. It is actually Toji's sub-temple. While it's small, it's actually known for its beautiful garden and an ink painting. Unfortunately, I got there late, so I couldn't go inside. So please check temples and shrines opening and closing hours. Most opens early but also closes around 4 p.m. unless there's a special event or a light-up event going on. Now we're back to the station, so don't miss this waterfall at the western side of the Kyoto Station, if you happen to be there. 一人で。
はい。検温を失礼いたしますね。適宜失礼いたします。ございます。はい、結構でございます。
大丈夫？
はい。手前のお席もしくはカウンターの席お好きなので。
カウンター？はい。おすすめはどれ？
おすすめは一番スタンダードなやつは。
スタンダード？
こちらがヒレカツとロースカツ、油多い方、油少ない方ですね。あとよく出るのはチーズのやつですとか、
はい、
サザン
カ。あ、これ？
ヨタンとか。あとちょっとプレミアムな2種類。
わお。
パンでございます。
美味しそう。
ご飯キャベツお味噌汁おかわりできます。
So there you have it, temples and shrine behind Kyoto Station, and a bit of munching at Ezidan. Do come and visit when you can. And if there are things you're interested in about Kyoto or Japan, don't be a stranger, leave me a comment. じゃあまたね, until next time.